Welcome to Rolfing Memorial Library. This video will teach you how to use the Rolfing Library online catalog and how to use iShare to find books at other libraries. You will also learn a bit about your online account. Before we begin exploring the catalog, we should establish a library account. Click on My Account in the upper right-hand corner and select TIU iShare. If you already have an account, you can log in here, but if you don't, you can click on Create New Account to get started. Complete the online form. Make sure you use a password you can remember, and your borrower ID is your student ID. You can find it on your ID card. Select Trinity International University as your library. Once you are logged in, you will be able to use the features you see on the right side of the screen. You can view your favorites. You can see a list of the items you have checked out with their due dates. You can renew items there too. You can see what items you have requested and whether they are ready for you. You can begin your searching here, but we're going to return to the Rolfing homepage since this is where you will usually begin. This search box will search only Rolfing's holdings. We will discuss searching other libraries later in this video. When you are researching a topic, your best option is to perform a keyword search. This is the default option. You can also search for works by a particular author or by individual titles. Let's search for books about the Holy Spirit. You can browse this list of results, or you can narrow your search to make it more manageable. Perhaps you're only interested in books at our Deerfield campus. We can also narrow our search by particular authors. Let's see what our current dean has written on this topic. You can see that some of these items are checked out. Here's one that's on the shelf. Let's click on it and find out more. We can read a summary of this book by clicking on the More Details tab. We can decide from this summary if this book will be useful for us. The table of contents also gives us more information about the book. We've decided we want to borrow this book, so now we need to find it in the library. Click on Location and Availability. Pay attention to the location. This will tell you if the book is in our main collection, at our Florida campus, in the Trinity Authors Collection, or in the Reference Collection. The call number is like an address. It will tell you where to find the book on our shelves. Books at Rolfing are in Library of Congress call number order. Write down the number before you go looking for it, or text it to your phone. Before we discuss iShare, let's look at a few other features on this record. By clicking on User Reviews, you can write a short comment about this item which will appear in the catalog for other users to see. You will have to be logged in to contribute to this feature. Look at the features just above the title. By clicking on Cite This, you can get citations in APA or MLA styles. By clicking on Email, you can send this search result to your email. By clicking on Favorites, you can save this search result for future use. Your list of favorites will be the first thing you see when you look at your account online. The collection at Rolfing will satisfy much of your research requirements, but sometimes you will want something from another library. iShare is a good option in this situation. If you are already in the Trinity catalog, you can switch to iShare from the pull-down menu beside the search box. Or you can choose iShare from the library homepage. You can search the iShare catalog as you would the Trinity catalog. Click on any item that interests you. Under Locations, you will see a list of the libraries that hold the item. Make sure Trinity isn't among them. Choose a library on the list where the item is available and click Request this item. If you're not already logged in, you will be asked to do so. Next, choose your pickup location. You can have the item sent to any iShare library that is convenient for you. If you just want it sent to the Trinity Library, then leave everything as it is and click on Request. You will get a message to let you know whether your request was successful. When the book arrives, you will receive a message at your Trinity email. You can also check the status of your requests online by logging into your account. Click on Requested Items. Here we can see the status of our requests. We can also cancel requests from this page. Now you know how to search the Trinity catalog, how to request books from other iShare libraries, and how to access and use your account online. If you need further assistance, please ask a librarian at Rolfing Library. We're happy to help.